First, confirm whether the sink size matches the countertop opening size. Measurement and marking underneath the countertop using a pencil. Measure and mark the installation position of the sink based on its size and shape. Cut the opening on the countertop according to the marked position. Sealant application. Apply an appropriate amount of sealant to the contact area between the sink and the countertop. Drilling and installation. Invert the countertop and drill holes according to the marked positions. Secure the template clamp. Sink installation. Finally, gently place the sink into the countertop, opening ensuring a tight fit.